Good evening, friends. Today I am going to explain the oxoacids of phosphorus. Okay. So first of all, you try to understand what are oxoacid. Okay. Then we will proceed. So when you are going oxoacids, so oxoacid is having what? Oxygen. Okay. Oxygen and hydrogen. Okay. So which contain, that is phosphorus. So if suppose POH bond is there, okay, POH bond is there. So this type of structure is what? That is acidic structure. Okay, means if any compound, any phosphorus is having OH bond, okay, and that oxygen is attached to phosphorus, that will be what? That is known as what? Oxoacids. Okay, so please don't try to get confused. Oxo means oxygen, acid means oxygen containing acid. That simple, very simple. Now when you are going to study the oxoacids of phosphorus is having the number of acid, and that two names are very confusing. Okay, so here I am trying to explain some tricks to understand the what is the tricks behind the formula and naming. So first of all, what we have to, parent acids are there. Okay, two acids are there, parent acid. First it is the phosphorus acid, from there two acids are derived, and another is phosphoric acid. Okay, phosphoric acid. Now this is the second parent acid. Phosphorus acid means +3 oxidation state. Here is, if you see, this is the +3 oxidation state. And phosphorus acid, when you are going phosphoric acid, this is H3PO4. So here oxidation state will be what? +5. So higher oxidation state means IC, and lower oxidation state means OUS. So this become the clear. This is the +3 oxidation state lower, so phosphorus acid, and this is higher oxidation state means phosphoric acid. That is okay. Now we are going to, from the phosphorus acid, there are two more acid derived. First acid is the hypophosphorus acid. From the phosphorus acid, if you are removing one hydrogen, so whatever the acid form is, that is known as hypophosphorus acid. Means the terms we are using the term hypo, and here that is phosphorus is there, that is also known as orthophosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid is also orthophosphorus acid. From orthophosphorus acid, if you are removing one hydrogen atom, that is known as what? Hypophosphorus acid. And next one is pyrophosphorus acid. What is meaning of pyrophosphorus acid? If from the phosphorus acid, two molecule of phosphorus acid, if you are removing the water molecule, from the two molecule of phosphorus acid, you are removing the water molecule, the acid form is what is? That is pyrophosphorus acid. Okay, pyrophosphorus. That is pyrophosphorus acid. Now let us understand the structure. The important things in this case are, that is structure is very important. Now H3PO2 in the what are the oxoacids are there? The important things is, first important, the structure is tetrahedral. Okay, each phosphorus is tetrahedral. Each phosphorus is tetrahedral. And second case is one P double bond O is there. One P double bond O is there, and another is one is POH bond is required. These three things are compulsory required for the oxoacids of phosphorus. Now we are going to draw the structure of H3PO2. Now H3PO2, you see that is phosphorus is there, so on the top always will be oxygen. Now see, one oxygen lost, then how many oxygen is left? So one oxygen and one hydrogen left. Another is what is? Hydrogen, and another is also hydrogen. So you now see that is how many oxygen? 2. So 1, 2. How many hydrogen? 3. 1 phosphorus. Now this is what the structure of hypophosphorus acid. In this one they ask, that is basicity. Okay, basicity. So what would be the basicity of, if you are going to study the basicity, how many OH group is there? Okay, that many basicity. So here it is having only one OH group, so basicity will be 1. Acha, what another important things which we have to memorize, hypophosphorus acid is also known as phosphenic acid. Okay, phosphenic acid. Hypophosphorus acid is also known as phosphenic acid. So this is all about the hypophosphorus acid. Now let us move and study the next one. Next one is what there is structure of the phosphorus acid. So phosphorus acid H3PO3, H3PO3 in bracket, this is also known as phosphonic acid, phosphonic acid, phosphonic acid. That you have to keep in mind. Sometimes they ask in the NEET exam also which one is the phosphonic acid and which one is phosphonic acid. Now that is case I said, that is first oxygen will be on the top like this. Tetrahedrally you have to arrange. Now you see how many oxygen are, 3 are there. So 1, 2 and one more OH group, and that is remaining is this. So H3, okay, P1O3. So 1, 2, 3. This is, and now they are asking what is the basicity. Basicity is equal to number of OH group. Okay, basicity is number of OH group. So how many OH groups are there? 2. So basicity of the phosphorus acid is 2. Okay, now we are going for study the most important one, pyrophosphorus acid. Okay, so when you are going to study the pyrophosphorus acid, let us study here in the detail. Pyrophosphorus acid, phosphorus acid. Pyrophosphorus acid, I said, that is 2 into phosphorus acid, 2 into phosphorus acid minus water. Okay, so 2 in bracket H3PO3 minus water. Now see, multiply it. So what it will come? H6P2O6 minus H2O. So minus H2O, if you see 6 minus 2, how much will come? H4P2 and O6 minus 1, that is O5. This is the formula of H4P2O5 is the formula of pyrophosphorus acid. Now we have to draw the diagram. Okay, how we will be able to draw the diagram? I said from the 2 molecule you are removing the water. So phosphorus acid, that is P double bond O, here is OH. Again this is, okay, this side you draw the diagram more better to understand. Here is H, here is H, here is OH. Plus again, that is 2 molecule we are taking. So here is OH, here will be, that is H, and here is OH. Now you see from this molecule what we are going to remove the water molecule. So here if you are removing water molecule, what structure you are going to get? Here is P double bond O. Okay, here is, suppose here is also one OH group will be there, 2 OH groups are there. So here will be what? OH, then here is H, here is oxygen, here is again phosphorus double bond O, here is what? This is OH and here is H. This structure is known as what? Pyrophosphorus acid. Pyrophosphorus acid. Now the important thing is, what is the basicity of this acid? If you are basicity, so basicity equal to number of OH group. How many number of OH group is there? You check 1, 2. So basicity is again become the 2. Okay, so this is what the we study for the pyrophosphorus acid. Now we are going to study, that is next case, and we are going to study from the phosphoric acid. Now we are going considering that is phosphoric acid, then we will try to study the whatever the other acids are derived from the phosphoric acid. So next parent acid is phosphoric acid, phosphoric acid. And what is the formula of phosphoric acid? H3PO4, H3PO4. This is known as what? Phosphoric acid. Now from this phosphoric acid, what we are going to do? We are going to derive the other acid. So other 2 acids has been derived for this one. That is, first one is hypophosphoric acid. Okay, this is also important one. That is phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid, hypophosphoric acid. Now here you have to keep in mind, that is what is meaning of hypophosphoric acid. What we are 2 into H3PO4 minus, what we are going to do, minus H2O2, hydrogen peroxide if you are removing. This is exceptional case actually. This is exceptional case that we have to keep in mind. So what we are going to do here, from the 2 molecule of Okay, phosphoric acid. If you are removing the H2O2, the compound form is what is hypophosphoric acid. Now you see what could be the formula. So H6P2O8 minus H2O2. Now see what is the structure will come. 2 hydrogen will go out, so that is H4, and what other will form P2. P2 is as it is, and oxygen, from the oxygen 2 oxygen will go, so O6. H4P2O6 will be the formula. Okay, now what we are going to study the structure. Okay, so structure, what I am saying, in from the hypophosphoric acid, from hypophosphoric acid means from the 2 molecule of phosphoric acid you are removing H2O2. So how to draw the structure, let us see. Okay, so if you see, that is phosphoric acid, this is the phosphoric acid formula, OH, again here is the OH, and here is suppose H is there. So what is formula? H3PO4. Now it is also OH. So you see 3 oxygen, 4 oxygen actually, 3 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3 hydrogen and 4 oxygen. Similarly you put one more molecule, because from the 2 molecule people are removing, what we are removing, that is hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so here H2O2 we are removing, okay, minus H2O2. So let us see what the compound is getting formed. P double bond O, here will be what? This is OH group. Again what is OH group? Again here is P is directly related to another P. Here is O, this side O, and here is OH. Now this is what is known as hypophosphorus acid, hypophosphoric acid. This is the hypophosphoric acid, phosphoric acid. Okay, now hypophosphoric acid, if they are asking basicity, what could be the basicity? Proportional to number of OH group, number of OH group. So if you want to know number of OH group, how many? 4 are there, so basicity will be what? 4. Okay, now we are going to study another one. What another one we are going to study? That is pyrophosphoric acid. Okay, so from the phosphoric acid, I already said formula phosphoric acid. One hypophosphoric acid we already studied, H3PO4 only. From there we are deriving, because this is the parent acid. We are removing from the 2 molecule of H3PO4 minus water if you are doing. So whatever the acid is forming, that is pyrophosphoric acid, pyrophosphoric acid. Got it? So let us see the formula. What would be the formula of this one? If you multiply H6P2O8 minus H2O, now you see 6 minus 2, H4P2, okay, O7, H4P2O7. Now let us draw the structure of pyrophosphoric acid, H4P2O7. So what we are doing, we are removing the water molecule. So this is the phosphoric acid formula. Here is OH, here is OH, here is OH, plus P is again there, double bond O, here is OH, here is OH, and here is OH. Now here what we are removing? The water molecule. Okay, so if you are removing the water molecule, what we are going to get here is pyrophosphoric acid. So let us see this one. P double bond O, here is OH, again there will be the OH only, here is OH, and here is one oxygen is left, so P double bond O, this is OH, and again OH. So this is what is formed is pyrophosphoric acid. Now what we have to understand, that is basicity of, what could be basicity? Equal to number of OH group, So now see how many number of OH groups are there? 4. So basicity will be 4. So this is the structure of pyrophosphoric acid. And phosphoric acid that we study so many times, that is, this is a phosphoric acid, and phosphoric acid is parent acid, and formula is H3PO4. This is the parent acid. This is also known as what? Orthophosphoric acid. And if you see the formula, that is double bond O, here is O, here is O, and here is OH. OH. So that is basicity. If you want to go understand basicity, I am saying basicity is equal to number of OH group. So how many number of OH group are there in the phosphoric acid? That is 3. So basicity is 3. Last one is, when you are going, last one is, that is metaphosphoric acid. That we have to understand what is the meaning of metaphosphoric acid. So HPO2, okay, directly you can draw this one, metaphosphoric study, metaphosphoric acid. Metaphosphoric acid. So metaphosphoric acid you can understand with the help of diagram. So P double bond O, okay, here is O, removing the hydrogen, and here is what? Again OH is there. This is the O, here is P double bond O, and here is O, this is the out, and here is OH. This is N number it is going. So whatever the forming is, this is metaphosphoric acid. So what we have removed from the metaphosphoric acid, that is N, you are multiplying N number with the H3, N number is there, H3PO4, okay, and from there what you are subtracting N number of here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen. So here is water molecule and 2 hydrogen. So what we are doing, H2O minus H2O, here H2O, and then again H2. So there are the, this is the, you can study the HPO2 is, formula is what? HPO2. See why HPO2? 4 hydrogen is getting removed from the 2 molecule. Okay, 4 hydrogen is getting removed from 2 molecules. So the formula is HPO2. Okay, this is all about the metaphosphoric acid, and basicity will be the N. Here for the metaphosphoric acid we are not going to calculate the basicity. Thank you so much for watching, friends.